It's easy to drift when the market is tough or when distractions pile up. But success isn't about avoiding challenges, it's about how you respond. Here are three ways to sharpen your mindset and strengthen your work ethic. Number one, start with small wins. Momentum comes from progress, not perfection. Set one non negotiable task each day that moves your business forward. Small wins build confidence and energy. Number two, audit your environment. Look at what's around you, your workspace, your daily routines, even the people you spend time with. Remove what drains you and double down on what fuels your focus and productivity. Three, train your mind like a muscle. Just like fitness, mindset requires daily reps. Use affirmations, gratitude, journaling, visualization. Keep your thoughts aligned with your goals. The stronger your mindset, the stronger your business. If you're tired of distractions stealing your growth and you're ready to reset your focus, message me today. Let's build the disciplined mindset and systems you need to scale and become unstoppable.